let's cut felt with the rotary blade on our Cricut Maker. So for this you are of course going to need a piece of felt. You're going to need, if you've got it, your fabric grip mat. If not, either the green or purple mat, something that will keep your felt in place. You're of course going to need the rotary blade. Remember, this came with your machine, and it's got that lovely rotary wheel. And of course, your Cricut Maker. Now, the rotary blade means we can cut lots of different types of felt. So unlike the Explore with the fine point blade, or if you're using the fine point blade in your Maker, you're kind of restricted to thicker, more kind of polyester based felts rather than full wool. But because of the rotary blade with the Maker, we can cut any felt of any thickness, and it doesn't matter if it's kind of got that harder or softer texture to it. And if you are cutting finer details, quite small intricate details with felt, I would switch to the fine point blade. The reason for that is, with the rotary blade, as it lifts, it's still spinning. So sometimes with really small designs, what you get is a kind of slight overcut in your design, and when you've got small intricate things, this can actually slice off part of your material. There's no way to stop this, it's just the nature of a spinning wheel kind of spinning as it lifts. So just bear that in mind. If you're cutting really small and intricate, I'd probably go for the fine point blade. You've got a turning circle obviously on the rotary blade, and it's a slightly bigger blade, so that can affect it too. But for most projects, unless you're going really tiny, your rotary blade is going to be perfect for felt. So you're going to pop your felt onto the mat. Use your brayer tool to just make sure it's well stuck down. Now your Maker might automatically assume that you're using the fine point blade with felt. I personally love to use the rotary blade, so I like to edit tools and then select the rotary blade for felt. Now let's pop our rotary blade into the machine. Pop that into there and close the clamp. Pop our felt into our machine. And I'm going to click go. And we're going to start cutting our felt with the rotary blade. Now it's really important that you pick the correct felt setting for the felt that you've got. So if you've got a full wool felt, click the setting for that. If you've got a felt that's backed, find the setting for that. If you're using kind of more of a synthetic felt, then go for the felt with the Cricut logo next to it, because it's very similar to the Cricut branded felts, which is actually what I'm using today. And there we go. We're going to unload that from the mat. And we can peel away, and you can see my design has cut. You might have some clinging on pieces. This is totally normal with felt because it is so fibrous. So just ease them away if that's the case. And then we can lift up our piece, and there we go. A beautifully cut felt leaf. And you can see really great detail on there